If you have ever done any research on building an effective Instagram strategy, then you may have probably come up with this idea of almighty but ever-changing Instagram algorithm. Much like YouTube algorithm and Google algorithm, Instagram algorithm is mix of factors which helps the platform to decide which post should come on top of the user's feed. As creators, we have to be very smart when working with these algorithms. So in this video, I am going to tell you a few tips to work with this Instagram algorithm in 2022. So let's dive in. To work with this Instagram algorithm and to improve the rankings of your content, it is really important to keep track of few social media metrics. Most of the social media platforms provide this information and data through Creator Studios. Even Instagram provides all this information through their Creator Studio app. If you are a beginner and don't know what are these social media metrics and how to keep track of them, I am suggesting you to watch this video. In that video, I explain what are the most important social media metrics that you have to keep track on as a beginner. So the first tip is schedule your post at the optimal times. If you look closely and deeply, you will realize that Instagram algorithm is all about audience engagement. If your content get a high engagement rate, then your content will get high on rankings. So, posting your content on the right time can make a big difference in your reach. Now, how to find the right time to post your content? Instagram itself provides all the necessary information in their Creator Studio. Other than Creator Studio, there are lots of external tools out there like Hootsuite which suggest the best time to post your content. As a beginner, I am fine with Creator Studio information and I don't want to spend some extra money on external product as a beginner. Then the second tip is create more Reels. Reels are those vertical TikTok types videos you see in the Instagram. Instagram creators have already told that Instagram is no longer a photo sharing app. When any social media platform introduces a new feature to the platform, those type of contents work well in the algorithm and they get more reach, like the time when YouTube introduced the YouTube Shorts. So, even in Instagrams, if you create more Reels, you will get more reach. Then the third tip is use hashtag to increase the visibility. When working with these hashtags, we have to be really smart. Here's what I am doing. When I'm creating and posting new content, I go to the Creator Studio and find the hashtag combinations that work well in my previous posts, and then I use those hashtag combinations multiple times. And the second thing I'm doing is I go to my For You page and I find the hashtags that already work well in the algorithm and I steal them. Then the fourth tip is post consistently. Consistency is really important when it comes to all these algorithms. Not only Instagram, YouTube algorithm, you have to post videos consistently. Google algorithm, you have to update your website consistently. Whether you want to grow your followers, increase your reach or boost engagement, you need to post consistently. Normally businesses post 1 to 2 posts to their feed every day on average. But if this sounds too much or too stressful for you, focus on showing up consistently as opposed to sharing many posts. Posting engaging content to Instagram every weekday is enough to grow your account. To be consistent on Instagram, you need to have a good plan and a good content strategy. Check this video for creating effective content strategy. Then the tip number 5 is respect community guidelines. Whether you are posting feed posts, reels or stories, Instagram algorithm will reduce the visibility of content which go against their community guidelines. If your content spread misinformation or political in nature or hate or violence or even in just poor quality, your content may not be distributed widely. So I hope these tips will help you to work well with Instagram algorithm and grow your Instagram business. If you think that these tips helps you, please consider subscribing. Let's meet with another video. Have a wonderful week ahead.